Right in this video, I was able to get $1,000 worth of crypto assets. Alright, and I will show you how you can do this as well. Just stick with me to the end of this video, and I will not be taking much of your time. You don't even need verification to get this as well. Alright, so the first thing you need to do, ensure you use my referral link to be able to get this. Alright, after using my referral link, input your username, your password, confirm your password, and you input my referral link right here. If you click on my link, it is going to automatically input it. All right. So after getting here, you have to link your Google Authenticator. All right. So click on the link now. Then you download the Google Authenticator, and then you click on the next button. Right. When you get here, you have to copy this key right here and paste it on your Google Authenticator. After pasting, they are going to give you a code. You have to input the code right here, and then you click on submit. All right, which is going to take you to the next step. So I just did mine right now, and as you can see right here, I've gotten my assets already. Right, I'm just going to walk you through everything you need to know about this particular platform right away. All right, now I want you to know that you can make money quickly on this platform by inviting your friends, and to do that is very, very simple. Just come to the me right here and click on invite friends, and right here you can copy your referral link, and when you share it with them, when they register, each time they register, you're getting $1,000. All right, now I know many of you might be wondering, how can you be able to withdraw this money? Now you just have to wait for some time for this particular platform to go live, and you will be able to withdraw your money. All right, once they go live, you start mining it, and when you start mining it, you'll be able to withdraw all of your money, including the money you made from referrals as well. All right. So just a quick work on this particular platform about what it offers. All right. So as you can see right here, it's actually a wallet. You can make a deposit. You can also withdraw, and you can also test out their AI trading showing right here. All right. Very simple ways to make money on this particular platform. Right, and as you can see right here, this is the token, and this is what it is worth right here. All right, and this right here is our available balance. All right, so you can just take out your time to go through this particular platform, and as you can see right here, this is their AI smart trading engine. You can take out your time to go through each of it one after the other to know how you can make more money from this particular platform. All right, they've given you enough money to start. Just go ahead and get yours right away. All right, to get this, use the link in the description. Don't forget to use my referral link so that you'll be able to get this particular offer. All right, and also ensure you like, share, and subscribe. Have a nice day.